This is the Tecno Spark 8, which is a successor to the 5-month-old Tecno Spark 7 that came with the Helio A25 and not a successor to the Tecno Spark 7P. What's up guys, it's Michael and this is the latest sparking device from Tecno, which comes in the small box like the Spark 7 did, which houses the TPU case, the device, 10-watt power brick, micro USB cable in 2021, SIM ejector pin, 12 plus 1 month warranty card, and that is what is available in the box at 55,000 naira or $180 for the model I have with me. First off, I would like to say that the design of this packet isn't innovative and it looks pretty weird. Yes, I said it. This device just looks like a generic device that you can find on wish.com with a big text at the back, which the logo of the brand is not so visible from afar. The glossy finish which attracts fingerprints can be safely covered by the clear case that is included in the box, which can later turn into a dirty boxers. We still have a water drop notch, which is all good at this price point, paired alongside with a 720p display. Let me know in the comment section below if you watch 720p videos on YouTube, if you buy any smartphone at this price point. The brightness level is close to 500 nits, which is really usable in a very late room and outdoors under direct sunlight. The bezels on the 6.7-inch LCD display is quite expected on an entry-level device for below $110. Using this device for basic tasks will be good, but when you throw in some heavy-duty stuffs on here like playing PUBG Mobile, then you should be expecting some little stutters on default settings, but it runs smoothly on the lowest graphic settings, which I totally enjoyed to the extent that I forgot to film a gaming test video. But if you want me to do that, then drop a controller emoji in the comment section below so I'll know those who are interested in the gaming test review. This device comes in two storage variants, which are 2GB RAM with 32 or 64GB of internal storage, which you can opt in for the 64GB of internal storage if you take lots of pictures. While I was watching a music video on this device, I noticed that the only speaker on here is located at the earpiece part above the display, which is very unusual for an entry-level device, but it has a decent sound quality, which you can block only when you face down the display of your device on a flat surface. As expected, we have a 10-watt power brick, which is paired alongside with a micro USB cable, which takes close to the 3-hour mark to fully charge this device from 0 to 100%. Honestly speaking, Tecno should stop saying that their entry-level devices come with AI, because this photo that is taken on this device looks like a picture taken in 2019, and don't expect image stabilization on here unless you don't have a heart. With this device running on HRS 7.6 laptop Android 10, it comes with bloatware and inevitable ads. The fingerprint sensor is awkwardly placed because of the camera bump at the back, which the fingerprint sensor is relatively small for people with big hands. I would recommend the Tecno Spark 8 for those people who are coming from a 1GB RAM device with 16GB of internal storage that just need more space on their device. I would advise you get the 64GB of internal storage of the Tecno Spark 8. If this video helped you in any way, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now. And if you're interested in watching the gaming test video of the Tecno Spark 8, kindly drop the controller emoji in the comment section below and I will think about that and post a gaming test video.